Nisambula Vinaka, I'm Sarah Fatafe. The second Melanesian Spearhead Group Special Ministers meeting got underway at the Tanoa International Hotel in Nadi this morning. In opening the meeting, Fiji's Minister for Foreign Affairs and FMM Chair Ratu Inoke Kombombola said the meeting will address and progress key issues put forward that will take the organization and the region forward. This is the second MSG Foreign Ministers meeting held this year. The first was held in Suva in March, where the ministers discussed a range of issues which will be progressed at this meeting. The ministers discussed the recommendations of the MSG senior officials meeting, which was held in Vanuatu recently, the Treaty of Traditional Knowledge and Expressions of Culture and its importance to the indigenous heritage of the Melanesian people, the hosting of the 2013 Melanesian Games and the MSG Director General's 2010 annual report, amongst other issues. The meeting is being attended by foreign affairs ministers from Vanuatu, the Solomon Islands, National Kanak Party of New Caledonia, Papua New Guinea and Fiji. Fiji has a lot of catching up to do in terms of small and medium enterprise developments, say the Permanent Secretary for Finance, Filimoni Wangambada, whilst launching the Fiji Development Bank Small Business Awards in Suva this week. Therefore, the support of key players in business sector is crucial for the development of new entrepreneurs.
Lending support to the development of small and micro enterprises in Fiji is as important as recognizing the role that big businesses play in the economy. In launching this year's FDB's annual Small Business Awards, Permanent Secretary for Finance, Mr. Filimoni Wangambada, is optimistic that apart from this year's sponsors, other financial institutions in the country will soon lend support to the establishment and further development of micro, small and medium enterprises through tailor-made and packaged financial products.
It is a well-known and widely accepted fact that small businesses play a vital role in any country, particularly in terms of raising economic growth rates. In Asia, small and micro businesses make up the bulk of employment and are a cornerstone of Asia's entrepreneurial dynamism. Accordingly, small and medium enterprises, or SMEs, contribution to gross domestic product can be as high as 60%. For those of us that have visited some of these countries, we are well aware of these statistics just by judging the crowded roadsides of hawkers selling all kinds of products.
Awards such as this help promote small enterprise development because it takes away the stigma of insignificance away from such enterprises. People often frown and look down on the handicraft maker who sells at the roadside stall, or the grass cutter who walks from his house to house looking for business. And without such enterprising people, unemployment would be much higher and affordable goods and services would be negligible. Mr. Wangambada said there was a need to give more recognition to the SME sector, as those who participate in it chose the much harder option to work for themselves rather than for someone else.
With the support of the financial institutions and in partnership with government, we can lift the contribution of small businesses to growing the economy, similar to what is being witnessed in Asia. Small businesses make up less than 10% of our economy. The potential in these small businesses for us is therefore huge. This sector is the answer to the employment gap that formal sector cannot fill.
Stay with us, more after the break.